Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the control menu, and here scroll down through the menu. Find the theater mode icon, looks like this, with like the masks. And now to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. Sometimes you need to confirm by tapping on turn on button, but I think it's just when you turning it on for the first time. Once you turn it on first time, it won't appear anymore. So once you tap on the icon and tap on turn on, the icon should change the color, and also the silent mode should be enabled. And that's what the theater mode does. It basically enables the silent mode on your watch, and your screen won't wake up unless you press buttons. So that's how the theater mode works. Okay, and that's how you enable it. And to disable it, simply open the controls panel again and tap on the icon to disable it like that. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.